The animal you see first in an image can tell you a lot about you. The image you see is actually made up of several overlapping images. You can learn a lot about yourself by looking at an image. The result of what you see will tell you something about your personality traits and how your brain works. But don't look at the answers until you've looked at the picture. Which animal or animals did you notice the fastest? How quickly were you able to see the other animals? How many and which animals did you find? It has long been known that your choice of animals can tell you a lot about your personality, and studies show differences in the personality of people who prefer certain animals. So, which animal or animals caught your eye first? Bird. If the first thing you saw was a bird, you have an outgoing personality and expressive personality. Crab. If the first thing you saw was a crab, you are a joyful person and have a good sense of humor. Bird and crab. If you first saw a crab and a bird at the same time or almost at once, you are more sensitive and emotional. Horse. This image is usually seen first by people who have an independent and carefree nature. Dolphin. If the first image you saw was a dolphin, it means you are a creative and artistic person. Ducklings. This image is usually difficult to see. If you saw it first, you are attentive to detail, quiet by nature, and collected. Bear. If you saw a bear first, you are a born leader with a strong personality. Puppy. If the first animal you saw was a puppy, you are a kind and caring person. Thinking style. The dominant character trait is dictated by your subconscious mind, which determines which animal you saw first. This is known in psychology as convergent thinking, that is, your brain's ability to naturally limit your choices. This test can also tell you about your thinking style. How quickly you found other animals and whether you could see them all speaks to the liveliness of your mind. To find a bird and a crab, you need to concentrate on the contrasts. If you found them both quickly, your brain processes information very quickly, and it's easy for you to notice connections and patterns.